Good afternoon, viewers. Well, tonight I'm staying 3 blocks north of Khao San Road in Bangkok. Khao San Road is the famous travellers area. This is 3 blocks north of the road itself. There's lots of eateries on this road. And tonight I'm staying at Korbua house, which is right on the canal. This has quickly become one of my favourite places to stay in Bangkok. And tonight I'm staying in the budget room, which is 800 baht a night. And here we are, Korbua house. Fantastic location, right on the canal. And this is a lively canal, or a klong as they call them here in Bangkok. There's so many fish and lizards in it. I'll show you later. Bangkok is obviously famous for the big monitor lizard, the water monitor lizard. There's plenty of them around. But what a nice location, by the water in Bangkok, right by this little bridge which takes you over to Khao San Road. They have balcony rooms over the water, but I'm not staying in one of those tonight. Better go and check in. Okay, Wi-Fi password and key. I'm on the 5th floor. Now let's check out the room. Now let's check out the room. Lights. There we go. TV, air conditioning. There's 2 doors there. I presume one's a balcony. But first, check out the view out the window. You can see the canal down there. You're on the 5th floor. The top of the trees. Yeah, this is the balcony. It's not huge. It's a good place, you can go outside, even on the 5th floor. Now the toilet and shower. It's got a separate shower area. All very clean and modern. A nice designed room. The great thing is the balcony in this room. It's not easy to find a balcony in Bangkok. And canal views. It's got a safe in the cupboard. Refrigerator for the 2 bottles of water. TV with local channels. Just a fantastic location by the canal. I could watch this canal all afternoon. There's fish all jumping around in it. And you'll see the occasional monitor lizard. Some big ones as well. This place specialises in breakfast. And you can come here fishing. Plenty of fish. And look at this monitor lizard. He's huge. And he's headed underneath the hotel. So this is a great place to watch wildlife. I think he must live in there. That's Korbua House. I definitely recommend staying here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.